back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the Samsung JetBot Plus. We have another Samsung JetBot Plus, but the wheel's broken and we can't fix it, so we bought a new one and we're unboxing this one now. We've got an extra side brush. So there's some instructions here. You could take this plate off, doesn't have anything inside it. We got the manual. We've got the robot itself. It's in here. And we've got the base. We'll take these off. We'll take something else off. We got this. And we got strips so that it won't go where you don't want it to go. Oh, it had no goes on, and I don't know why it has extra bags, the charging, an extra filter. Let's get the base out now. It's hard. Open the box. Here we have the base. Let's do it this way. Now I could see the base up here. The base is here. If you could see. Here it is. You could take it off. Out. We don't need these anymore. Now, this is all we have.
So take the bag off first.
Yeah, take the bag off. That's the base. Now let's get out the robot. There it is. It's all good. Take off whatever this plate thing is. Here we have it. I do see for some reason some glitters on it. Oh, there's no glitter.
It's probably just shiny because it's new.
It does.
So there's a protective film.
Yeah. We got some of it off. Now let's get the rest. Everything. Our old one does not look like this. It's much different. It actually is the same.
Maybe put those little pieces in that
Oh, like the extra stuff in the...
in there. Yeah, in the cardboard
there's
behind
also
you.
some stuff here. For the sensors. And now... There's a lot of extra covering. Turn the base around. That was good. Before using.
Okay, so everything has been unboxed.
Yeah. So now we need let's just put it somewhere easy.
Okay, we're gonna hit pause for a moment and we're gonna set it up on the charger and we'll be right back. And we're back. We've unboxed
everything and now we're gonna set it up.
So can you explain what each of these are? Start with the Roomba.
The robot vacuum itself, the charging cord, all the manuals.
So there's the
no-go zone tape,
startup guide, user manual, limited warranty,
and the bag, and
That's the bag.
extra filter, extra side brush, and we got
And is this, what is that?
this.
Yes, what's
The
that?
no-go zone tape. Like, if you lay it down on the floor, I don't think it works, but it like prevents the robot from going to the area. But you could do no-go zones on the app, and we tried it with the old one, and it didn't work at all, so we threw it away. So I don't think we need this. Only the
Well, we don't have any no-go zones in our home, so
Yeah.
yeah. And then the base.
The base. This plugs into the base plugs into there.
Do you want to show us how we do that?
Yeah.
How that's done?
Unwind the plastic stuff. Okay, now we could plug this in. And now,
You can move the base back over to the wall.
wait, I need to plug this into the base.
Okay.
How did it go? Oh, like that. I need to flip this to the side to see. Oh, there's an extra covering on the bottom of the base. Okay, so we need to remove this extra protection covering.
Oh.
Back of the base. Maybe not protect like this. I think this is how it sucks the base into the bag. So now we can plug this in. So we could plug this in here. It's a little bit tricky, but
Make sure it's the right direction.
wait, no, I just heard something like it was turning on. The base is turning on. Yep, it is.
Did you plug it all the way in?
It's hard.
Do you need
Oh,
help?
I did.
Got it?
I did. I got it.
Now stand it up carefully. Okay.
Now we could put it against the wall. For now, we're gonna put it somewhere like tomorrow, but we'll just put here for now, so we don't have to like put it in the spot and
Make sure it's flat.
it's flat in a flat surface. Okay, so now we get the robot. We take off the sticker thingy. We turn it on. It doesn't work because it's dead.
Because it needs to charge. So why don't you go ahead and put it on the charging?
Wait.
So listen,
I think.
there's a startup instruction right there. See there? Yeah.
Oh,
Read it and see what it says.
oh, it says remove the patty bar. Remove the objects away. Oh, we got the clean station. There's another one without the clean station, and it has everything. Okay, let's just. No,
So can you
I
wanna-
think this is the manual.
Right, but
Yeah, it says use the manual.
do you want to turn it on?
It is turned on.
So we're going to read it and we'll be right back.
We just have to get it in the right position. Now it's charging instead because it wasn't on the base before and it's charging. So we already have the app for our old one. So now we're gonna test it in our next video. So subscribe. Bye.